Hey guys, today we're going to shoot a quick video showing you just how easy it is to set up your Railio Railing Bar. So the hardest part of this entire process is actually just figuring out where you want to set it up. We've got a nice spot right here, so we're going to go ahead and hang it there. So each Railio comes with a two-piece bracket system. So we have our front bracket and our back bracket, and this is all adjustable. If you've got a thinner railing, 1.5 inches to about 2 3/4 inches, you can simply switch this back bracket around. It'll make sure that things snug up against that railing as well. So we're gonna go ahead and hang our Railio. And then we're gonna tighten up the back bracket, lock out the bolts. And then each of their Railios comes with 2 adjustable bumpers. So you can simply screw these out to the depth of your railing panel, whether that's a glass or solid material, and make sure everything is nice and level and secure. So just like that, we're all set up, ready to enjoy our balcony. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and you can see just how easy it is to leverage a small patio space with our Railio. Thanks for watching.